Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about how to find best leads using Odoo 19 AI. To understand the emotion tone behind a lead communication, it can be message, emails, chat, and or any other connection between the customer and the sales representative. This helps to detect whether a lead message is positive, neutral, or negative, and that provides an insight into lead interest, satisfactions, or concerns and allows the sales team to respond appropriately and personalize communication. So let's see how to find the best leads using AI in Odoo 19. So first ensure that we have the AI module installed. Once everything is set, you just need to go to the configuration, settings and choose your account. So ensure that you have just set your own account by setting the API key to connect with your account. Once that's done, you can move on to the CRM module. And in the CRM module here, we can find the pipeline, and you can just consider one of the pipeline. So in this case, I would like to consider quote for 600 shares over here. So once that's done, here you can find that we have customized a field called sentiments to get the sentiments. It can be positive, neutral, or negative. So if you want to customize this field, what we have to do is we need to move on to the studio module. So ensure that you have installed the studio module. And from here, you can see that we have a field called AI fields in Odoo 19. And using this field, you can just get the sentiments analysis of the customer. So here you can see that I have created or set the label of the field as sentiments and provided a prompt. So here you can see that the prompt is you're an expert in sentiments as analysis and customer communication, and please analysis the section labeled message. So if the customer made any messages with the salesperson, from that we can analyze the sentiments, whether the response of the customer is positive, negative, neutral, or very negative, can be easily find from the response of the customer under the chatter in the message. So here you can see how we have classified the sentiments as the following. And your responses should include these sentiments, one of the five categories above, and explanation, a short, rational based on the tone, word choice, and context. And here you can also find the key phrases or cues that justify your classifications. Only use neutral if the message truly has no emotion, tone, and only very positive or very negative when the language is clearly strong or intense. So once a prompt is defined, you can save and generate it over here and close that. So as I just move on to the my lead, you can see it's in qualified state, and here you can see that we don't have any message. So if there is no message in the chatter, and when you just try to get the sentiments, you can see that here you will be getting that I couldn't quite make sense of that because no message content is available in the contest for analysis. So here let me just create a message. I am interested. Yeah, here we have a spelling mistake. Interested in your company product, and let's say send me the product catalog. And once it's given, yeah, let me correct everything. Let me click on send, and here you can see that we have a content over here, and from this we can easily analyze these sentiments, which means that here it's giving neutral because we haven't expressed any emotion over here. We are just saying that um w- like we would like to purchase, and by looking onto the catalog only we can say that we are highly interested or not. Okay, if I'm setting the message as not interested, you can see that it will be setting as negative. So let me set it as not interested. So here you can see that, yeah, here we have a message already written over here. So from this, we can just get the analysis. So let's move on to the AI and let's find. It's very positive and actually you can find everything over here, which is not in English. But if you want to change the language of the chatter, you can easily change that. But right now, I'm only showing the sentiments over here. Now, let me move on to the other one that is called for 12 tables. And let's move on and see here. Let's set the message as not interested. Not interested to buy your company's product. And let's send it. And here from this, upon clicking on the sentiments, here you'll be getting the response that it is very negative. So from this, we can say that it is used to understand the emotion tone behind a lead communication, and that allows the sales team to respond appropriately and personalize their communication. So from this, we can easily understand, which means from this sentiments, we can easily find the best leads using Odoo 19 AI. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.